Night trails turn dark fast, and weak lights leave you guessing. Rain, dust, and rough roads make visibility even more stressful. Standard lamps often fade when you need dependable brightness most. That means slower driving, less confidence, and more risk. Nilight's triple-row light bar changes that immediately. Its powerful combo beam spreads light wide and far. Spot and flood lighting work together for balanced coverage. You get clearer distance vision and stronger roadside visibility. The 20 high-power chips deliver intense, stable output. Upgraded reflective cups improve illumination from multiple angles. Broad reflective plates help light reach every necessary direction, so dark paths feel easier to read and control. Harsh weather can ruin ordinary lights, but not this one. With IP67 waterproof protection, it handles rain and mud. It is also dust-proof, quake-proof, and anti-explosion. That durability supports reliable performance in demanding outdoor conditions. Long drives need lights that stay cool and efficient. The 6063 aluminum profile helps release heat quickly. Thermal grease boosts cooling and supports longer service life. That means better endurance and less worry over time. Installation should not slow down your upgrade. Adjustable brackets let you position the lights with flexibility. The included wiring harness simplifies setup and connection. Color-coded leads make installation cleaner and more secure. For off-road drivers, this means safer nighttime exploration. For ATV users, it means confident control on rough terrain. For boat owners, it means stronger visibility on dark water. This universal fit kit brings practical lighting to many vehicles. Choose Nilight for brighter paths, easier installs, and lasting durability. Upgrade once and enjoy dependable illumination every time you go out.